people. Every time I meet up with Kiwana buy a patty. She love buy patties, you know. We are in Mother.
Yes, because it's very affordable. So people can afford. Your chicken patty here. Yes, eating what I can afford. It's a live in your means and live happy. That's right. I love it here, the rosy. Not like you buy that extension.
Sing out.
Yes. But think of the cooking, no, so always cooking.
Makipin tayo lang this mga bang nakakita na ko niya mga.
It looks nice. It looks really nice.
I look rugged, yeah.
Yeah, rugged. I love the chest too. The chest with the top. It's cute. Yeah.
Have a Friday.
Best party. Come to me. Mothers! I know mothers is juicy.
I'm a taste this person.
I love mothers. Mothers party is legit. I love tasty cheese party. But anything else in the mothers, I love it. Mothers burger, everything but mothers.
This is the world.
Everything but mothers just spicy and juicy and flavory. So guys, we're here to create content and here to connect as well. It has been a while, probably like 2 weeks or 3 weeks now when I meet so far, anything like that. So we're here putting in the work, guys. As I said before, like the video, subscribe to the video,
and share the videos.
Share the videos, guys. Guys, I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission for this year. My birthday is in April, guys. April the 11th, the best month of the year, and I want to be monetized before my birthday. That would be my best. Give
her that. She want a fair birthday. She wants to be monetized her birthday.
Gift, just to be monetized, okay? So guys, share the video, like the video. Leave a comment down below, guys. You know, do the work.
Do it.
Yeah, the family. Hi, guys.
Don't pay no mind to my purple lipstick. My feet gothic and weird today. Okay, let's go. My feet gothic. I'm feel weird today. So today because I feel weird, that's why I'm lipstick like this and my ear look, you know, weird and rugged. All right. So today we are going to do rate Jamaican female YouTubers,
guys. So we are gonna talk about the things that you need to body up and so. I need to
and you know because on this channel we are female empowerment. So every female is at 10. Let's talk about everybody's at 10 before we even do the ratings already at 10. So you don't get like a 15 or a 20 already.
Picture or something like that, the personality and so. So nobody take it too personal.
Oh no, marry a female friend boy. Hold on. I'm gonna be a boy for the day. Hold on. You know, when they do the ratings, I was 2 boys or a boy and a girl. This is what they come. What be boys today? What can I lip glass?
What be niggas today?
Hold on.
Yo, dad. You know, you can't put on the hat. My ear go up. I keep my own same way, dog.
Hold on. You come up.
Yo, dad.
Alright. Because you're...
What you doing? No, sir, what is an acne? Acne treatment, the girl go put on her lip. You're mad enough.
Some people have acne on their lip.
Really?
I don't know.
So, guys.
Alright, so we're boys today.
I ain't no boy today. I'm still a girl. I'm just a talk.
Alright, sorry, me I talk today. I talk to boy. No, them can't say bro god, something like that.
Bro god.
Oh, I'm a bro god today.
I'm a G.
And Kiwana G. My auntie fit me. Alright. So today my name is... Give me a boy name, our boy. Today my name is Robert Arwan.
Raji.
My name is Robert. I'm not like Raji. I feel like an Indian boy. I'm a pure black boy. Really, a girl people. Alright. So let's start. Who's the first female YouTuber? No mind this. The first female YouTuber. Like I know. People want to buy my phone. I'm going to malfunction.
Oh my god, the breeze is so cool, I'm not lying. The breeze are going with one bag of thing. Alright.
Yes.
On the ready! Jump on!
Just pretend to remember that.
Yeah, because it's a spoiler.
Alright. First female YouTuber is Petty Sue. Her image will be somewhere over here or wherever. Alright, Petty Sue.
Oh my god, girl, you got it. You got it, okay? You dripping, you saucy, you spicy. First of all,
But guys, don't say that spicy. You have to talk like a boy.
anyway, Mama, you go out with a bag of things. My girl, you think up, you think turn up, girl.
Yeah, man. But it big
first
too.
of all, my girl, your makeup on fleek, my girl. Your ear well sucking, my girl. Your contour on fleek, my girl. Eyelash put on well, my girl.
Yeah.
Your exercise and all these things, my girl. Body well toned, my girl.
Alright.
My girl.
How much you rate, okay?
From 1 to 10?
Yes.
Petite, you got a 10. 10 pound.
For me too as well. Me I give you a 10 for you because I literally like your channel and I watch you.
She's a great person.
Your makeup I say always turn up and you act and your body well round up and your belly well flat and you know you have a man and wife you up already and
things
so
things are going on
we don't know why it's that but the other boys that.
Yeah, no things, my girl.
So I also I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you a 10. Come and nobody's a 10. You're gonna get a 9.5. We can't get you that same.
I give you 1 10 because you're imperfectly perfect.
That's right. No, that's right. You get a 10 because of that. Everybody's imperfectly perfect.
Yeah, I get it.
Alright, but we are 9.5.
The other person, yeah.
But like
Rosa, no say your phone on national girl.
you keep on a freeze from me, I don't know why.
This not
remember we're boys, some phone can't prove I'm a girl.
You put them
when the game, when
you put one national dog.
Alright. Alright, oh my god, I love her.
Vivian,
the ear therapy. Alright, I really literally love her.
I met Vivi in real life.
Oh really? Is she nice?
I never spoke to her. I was like at the restaurant and I saw her and like, can you take a make Becky too? I'm like, can I take a picture with her? I was like, yeah. Oh but I never met her, to like talk to her.
I sit down with her, reason with her. Alright, cool. I like Vivian, I like her hair. She's a natural queen. And we are natural queen. Also, I remember skin complexion for me matters. And she's also chocolate skin and chocolate skin is my weakness. So no, but me a boy no. But I think if me
weakness dog.
A weakness dog, yeah. So if me was a boy, I think chocolate skin would still be my weakness. So therefore, Viviana is a 10 for me because all of her is natural. I love a natural woman. You know what I mean?
Alright, I'm gonna Viviana
is a 10 for me.
One of the first batch of YouTuber that I've been Jamaican YouTuber that I've been watching. When
10.
I'm still natural. When I just start with natural, isn't it? Alright, yeah, natural baby, ear nice and all these things. But Vivi, I don't know.
We might know.
But like,
she's hot.
She not really corn up. Yes, dog, like.
Oh, you like the magnum type of looking person there? Okay.
I'm telling you, I can't be natural in a dog, but guess what, dog? You have to know for switch it for
Miss Brogard, Miss that dog, Miss Brogard.
Bro. You like look at natural swag in a bro. Cause we don't know all of the fancy bro. You're supposed to natural and it, bro.
But she already show herself natural already.
But I like a little girl we can switch it for a little for them, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, alright.
Yeah, more I see him, I just say more like a mannequin dog. Like,
no, I true that too.
You know that, so.
But remember the girl I'm gonna fix up in a very expensive.
Dog, I'm gonna respond, dog.
Alright, sorry.
Ready to spend my money for my queen, dog.
Yeah, spend the money. Alright, so alright, come you're broke, God.
So broke, God, she right now, broke, God, because she's natural, she'll get her part, you see, dog, but yeah, one seven, dog.
Well, like, she's not no 7. She don't like chocolate girls. You're racist. Colorist.
I'm not colorist. If I was colorist, I'd have bleached my skin. Look at it.
No, colorist. She's a 10. Colorist.
10 for you, boo, but not for me, boo.
Oh, funny now. The next person is Chidi. I think I Chim. Go that. Well, my phone not function lately. Bad. Anyway, where was he? Chin.
Let me be real done. Chin. Girl, I'm not lie. You go out with yourself on Instagram. That's where I want to be like one. That's where I want to be one day. I want to know so me some Instagram model dog. I just take a picture of them and you know wow myself dog. Yeah, you motivate me dog. I'm not lie dog. You go out with yourself, girl.
Alright, Chidi for me, she's very beautiful. I'm not hear that. But once again, too much filters. And I'm still too much filters. Yeah. Too much filter, so I don't know if he's naturally beautiful. All the most of it is naturally beautiful too. But Chidi for me, really and light skin again. I think if me's a guy, although me's a girl, when me's a girl, I don't like light skin boys that much. And I think I like light skin girls that much neither. Which for me is a 9.5. 9.5.
I'm not a girl that should have gone for Instagram. I guess so. I see Trini in a real life, my dog, and I realize most of the picture them, my dog. To my knowledge, my dog, most of the picture them, you know.
Filter them up.
Filter.
So she fake?
No,
so she's not a 9.5.
Business thing in a dog, a business thing.
So she's not a 9.5.
Business thing in a dog. But
alright,
tell
me.
She have a very open, nice personality, dog. So you see, because of that dog, I get
so me rate her 2 island because you're buffing.
No, but you like what you want.
Alright, bro, God. She didn't get a 9.5 for me because I don't know all these things. Alright, okay. Why before I work for me, K1 that work for you?
Let me do it then. Alright, the next person on the list is Abby Attas. Oh my god, she's cute. She's so cute.
Okay, so she has tan complexion. I like that.
Yeah. She has great personality.
She shape nice.
And she shape good for real.
For real. I like them girls that are for real.
For real.
Okay, alright. She look good. I don't know that. She look good.
Yeah, my man still my dog.
So man, no, I like my man. No, a boy come fight me.
And the boy come like him no boy no dog.
I'm not do no gym screeching nobody out. No.
Oh, so bad in the dog.
No. So what we get?
And I give Abby a 7.5.
7.5 for me to you act still, but you know, we can't fight. We're not gunman, we don't have no gun yet, so alright, so we can't fight for you. So alright. We're a punk kind of boy, you understand? We're a weak man.
I'm not weak in that, but we can't
get weak man, sorry.
Enemy there in the dog.
No.
Enemy from the thing in the dog.
Me a weak man, I'm not telling them. I just want to be a joke guy, you understand?
Man say joke guy,
say,
solve the problems, dog.
Alright, so the hot girl I know me like now. Natural queen, natural everything. Sometimes she look hot and all these things. I'm saying, K1 alright. Let's see how me a rate K1 dog. K1 look good. K1 look good, dog. K1 look good. But she fat sometimes, you know. She dress nice sometimes, dog, you know. I know that she natural can meet her person, dog. You understand me? I say, no, bro God, no. When you her person, I say, bro God, yeah. So for me,
the girl, dog.
K1, yo man, I know she close to my personal girls, see, and my friends still, you know.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, so you know.
You say, could I go in the car and roof dog?
And roof dog, yeah, I'm okay, you know. I call them close to dog. So because them close to me, dog, I'm gonna have 2 girl dog. I give her 10.
What?
You dog! She get a 10 dog! She's a 10. I'm becoming biased. She's a 10.
She's a 10 dog.
Yeah.
Alright then, Kawana. Natural beauty. Nice personality. Where she put on the weight and lose it sometimes.
Yeah, man. She, you know, but a real man.
She's a real dog.
So, yeah.
Not like that. I'm like, yeah. I'm gonna be realistic. I'm realistic from another person point of view. But I give me,
yeah. What I get?
1.9.
Oh, well, that's good. 9.
1.9.
Me I give her 10.
You know why? But I give me 1.9. Come belly cut.
Me I give her 10. You saw Utanana?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, she's fixing her teeth. Okay. Yeah, people are fixing her teeth. I was fixing my teeth. She tick, you know? She tick.
Yo, dog, me a sweat, brother.
She tick. And she don't do her makeup. And she look very pretty. I like her.
Sweat, brother.
She tick.
Nah, like me
but one thing I say, some people she don't read that tick. So, is it real thickness or she put on thickness?
No, man, dog. Meet and a real life, dog.
A real thickness?
Do your thing, dog. A real thickness, dog.
No, surgery done? Body surgery done,
Yeah, the body surgery. Look like she do body surgery, dog.
Body surgery done. But I see like how that she do body surgery. You know, so you have to up the money game. But see like how me a broke man, and we a broke boy, and I think can't afford the surgery business. Still. So therefore, come can't afford it, I'm like a money man she like. I don't know what doing now, come like that. And me I give her 9.5.
9.5, dog.
She ash.
I'm missing now.
Girl,
makeup and fleek, brother.
Yeah.
Hair and fleek, brother.
Yeah.
Personality up, brother.
Yeah.
Always looking good, brother.
Yeah.
Smile them nice, brother. Yo, dog. Yo, right now, dog. I say, dog, Tanania, looking at your inbox.
DM, Jason, DM.
Right now, yeah, DM me, brother. But yes, sir, brother. One thing, brother, because I'm unsure, brother. I feel like a day about it still.
What's your name?
I feel like she do her body still. She like she go and eat the nigga. You see what I'm thinking? I don't know if my face looks the dog. See because of that Tanania, I give you 1.9. You see what I'm thinking? You see know.
Cause them a full man.
Pretty soon me have to get the full
10, actually.
Cause
Me
she
get
got
9.5 too. But me like it to me get 9.5.
Me get
Two half
full
to share
10.
full teacher full thing with you.
And now I get the full 10 to you, brother, but guess what? Come let you do the body and you fake, so once you fake, you can't really get. You understand me?
Yeah. I see this again. What the damn? I don't know how to do.
Alright, the next one, dog.
Gio and Ken, so Gio this or Ken this?
This is Ken.
Oh, Gio is the guy. What me have to mix
So
up?
the next person on our list, guys, is Ken. Ken from Gio and Ken.
Ken not natural too.
Woo.
I was a weave from our edge and natural Indian then. Like her complexion too.
Ken dog. Ken dog.
Me like her. And she don't look fake up at all. The titty don't look real, the body don't look real.
Body real. Titty real. Ear real. Part. No,
And she don't do ear, but she don't overdo her makeup. I like that.
She don't overdo her makeup.
So me
Nice
again.
personality.
Well, two boys sorry look for stuff like that we're looking for though. What makeup at you?
Me don't know dog. Me don't know
Wait, I don't. But me personally, she seen that at 10 or 9.5 to me. I like her. I like how she look. I'm gonna give her, sorry dog, yeah. Dog, she's a 10 for me. I like her. Oh, she's a man. She's a man. I like our man will beat me. If he was a man. Oh, so because you're a man.
She would have kicked out
I mean, I do not dream security thing. I not dream security thing, dog. She's a 9.5 dog. I not dream security on a man thing. You know, I'm not boosting a woman less than a my woman that dog.
Yeah.
So, she's a 9.5.
9.5, alright dog. Let me see dog. Body up dog, she's slim. She too slim. That's all thing. She too slim, brother. Too slim, brother. But guess what?
I like my woman them skinny still, you know.
Personality nice. Makeup on fleek. Yeah. Body real.
Yeah.
You understand. Only problem. Two problems I would feel like she will drop the thing. Two problems.
What?
One problem, you know. One problem.
Is it two no one? One problem?
I want. Look at it. One problem. She too slim, brother.
No, I like how she's skinny.
Too slim.
You know, when they're skinny and them gain and them get pregnant, them gain.
It's like how you slim.
Yeah.
And you're tall. You're slim. Yeah, like she's slim and you slim and you're tall and you have that model look.
Yes.
She's slim and just slim, so she do.
And she's short.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the only thing, brother. But Ken always look nice.
How much that guy?
Some of that girl is nice. Yeah.
Alright, so those are us. Yeah, people. So to subscribe, let's say, I know.
Yeah, guys, so this is the end of the video.
Subscribe, give a like if you like the video, and also this video is not to discriminate any female or to bring anybody down.
Entertainment
Purposes. And we like all of you guys. All of you guys are our favorite female YouTubers, and we try to show you guys out. And we think all of you guys are gorgeous. Yes, we find all of you guys gorgeous and very beautiful. And once again, empowering women is the key in everything I do. All right, so remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.